This is the view from another angle. We just recently knew of 3 shortcut roads in Daanbantayan that are useful to us, cutting short traveling time significantly. Our usual routes are from Malbago to Poblacion, Daanbantayan, and Malbago to Kawit to buy pasalubong of dried squid called tarurot and dried anchovies called bulinaw. Now, knowing these 3 shortcut roads, it takes a shorter time on our motorbike in reaching these places. The first shortcut road is from Bagay to Poblacion, Daanbantayan. In going to Poblacion, Daanbantayan, there is a shortcut road a little after Bagay Church. Turn right on this road and this will take you to Poblacion, Daanbantayan, passing by the marker of Barangay Lanao and Civico 2 building. The second shortcut road is the Bateria Libertad Road. In the video, we entered the road beside Tinubdan Elementary School, then through Sitio Badyang, and exited on the Calapi Road near the Calapi National High School. The third shortcut road is from Libertad to Paypay and vice versa. There is a road in front of Gas and Go refueling station in Libertad. Enter this road, passing by Dalingding and exit near Paypay National High School. And here in Paypay, you can proceed to Kawit to buy dried fish for pasalubong. Hi everyone! We have just arrived from Daanbantayan to buy fish. We have anduhaw hanging on that bamboo post, and look how messy we are with our things. I just had a snack of apple, and we have not fixed things yet. We are about to cook, to broil the fish that we have bought, and then have our rice, and we have watermelon, and we also have an apple for our lunch. Again, to show you the view of a very hot day in our hometown, and everything is still. We just arrived yesterday, and in the afternoon we went to Dalingding to talk to the cassava grower in Dalingding so that we can reserve cassava stems later on, that we will be able to plant in our plot here. So we were able to talk to her, and we're able to see her plot of land planted to cassava. So according to her, the cassava fruit is not yet ready for harvest. So she will be harvesting them on June. So by then, on June, we are able to ask her to reserve for us some cassava stems, or what we call here paka, that we can plant in this plot here.